all over TikTok, so I just had to try it. So you cut a slit and then you put different things in every quarter of the tortilla and then you wrap it up, which honestly was really fun. Then you take that, put it in your waffle iron or panini maker or in your air fryer, it doesn't matter, or even on your pan. And you have this crunchy wrap situation. Now let's try it. Okay, that's legit.
Today I'm showing you how to make the world's easiest 4-ingredient, no-knead artisan bread that you can make at home incredibly easily.
Start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, add in your salt, half a teaspoon of yeast, stir that up, grab a cup and a half of water, and we're just going to stir that water in until it comes into a shaggy dough. There's no kneading, none of that. As you can see, we have this just kind of little glob of dough. Grab a towel, we're gonna place it over it, and we're gonna place this on the counter overnight. It is the next morning, and now we're going to take this off. Let's grab some flour so we can flour our surface, and it is time to form it into a nice ball for bread. Plop it out right on here. We're just going to kind of push it together into a ball of dough. Just take an upside down cookie sheet, line with parchment paper, place it right on there. Make a little cut like that. Pop in the oven that I'm preheating at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Slide this off right onto another baking sheet. Make about 30 minutes. Check out this beautiful loaf of bread. It's just downright delicious.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah.
Have you ever tried
I
egg
get
Central
too
Pop?
drunk and too scared
Custard
and
eggs are
lie
baked
to you.
inside of
If only you knew I
They're super easy to
would
make, let me show you how.
die for
First,
you.
grab a couple ramekins
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me
And then on top of the
better.
eggs, you're going to crumble some Boursin cheese, which is just a very creamy, fresh cheese that has herbs and garlic in it. Last, you're going to add a little bit of cream and then pop the lids on your ramekins or cover them with foil if you don't have lids. And then we're going to make a bain-marie or water bath. This helps the eggs cook very gently, more like a custard. Pop the ramekins into a baking dish and then pour boiling water 2/3 of the way up the sides of the ramekins. While the eggs are baking, toast some bread and butter for dipping. Season your eggs with salt and pepper and chives. And dig in. Full recipe is on the blog, link in bio.
Okay, Rodolfo, let's make some fried rice.
Yes, but let's make it super, super easy, like in a pot.
Okay, how about we use the instant rice and then we'll put the green peas, carrots, onions.
And then we'll do some garlic, some soy sauce, a little sesame oil. We gotta add a little kick with some sriracha.
Add some spice.
And then we'll cover it with some chicken broth.
Yes, that's perfect. And then it'll come to a boil and then we cover it and let it cook.
Yeah, and then when it's done, let's create like a little hole so we can add the eggs.
Yes, it's perfect. All in one pot. That's what's great about this.
It's perfect. And then we're gonna add a little butter.
For some creaminess.
Yes, and green onions, and we're gonna mix it together. I think we just created an easy takeout, Chinese
Perfect.
takeout.
Yeah.
like
That's
that.
what that is. That's awesome.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
So good.